I'm here, guys, at Kliprivier. At Kliprivier, beautiful. Like as you see, nature is beautiful. Like God did it well to create rivers and nature itself. Like no one can create a river, you know. Only God. Only God. No one can do this. No one can do this wonderful thing. Can you see? Can you see my back view? Hello Africa, hello everybody from different countries, hello Kenya, hello South Africa, hello America, hello to all my fans around the country, around the world, to all my fans around the world, my audience around the world. So today, guys, I have this wonderful river here. This river here, it calls Kliprivier. In Afrikaans it's kliprivier, but simple in English it's a stone river. So this is the main river drain the portion of Johannesburg South here in Gauteng province. So according to my research, Kliprivier is originated in the south of Roodepoort and northwest of Soweto. So the river flows south and turns west and east along Soweto, like on the southern part of Soweto. Then passes here at Eikenhof. As I'm standing here, I'm in Eikenhof right now. So this is a part of Eikenhof, but it's coming along from Soweto, that side, Johannesburg, Soweto. So now I'm at Eikenhof part. So guys, this river is so wonderful. It's very wonderful. The river flow ahead that side of Orange Farm, Freemagen. I don't know where does it end. It goes like that side, this direction. It goes in the direction of east. I don't know how does it turn when it reach that side. So what I like about this river, I like in the morning, that mist. So some of the people, they call it mist river because it's a river that's full of mist in the morning. So I want you guys to experience this nature. I want you guys to experience this video. Come with me, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Come with me and like this video. You will connect with nature. Stay with me, non delicious local. Connect with nature. Be with me. Let's go. Come, guys, and see the beauty of nature. Like God did it well to create nature for us. Now we are able to breathe the nice air from the river in the morning, in the afternoon. Like as you see right now, it's a sunset. It's 5 o'clock in South African time. It's a sunset. So it's a sunset right now, as you can see. Connect with nature. So let's just view the river. Come with me. So this is the river, guys, as you see. If you stick with Ndumi, you will see the nature. You will see the beauty of nature here in Africa. Okay, I can say in South Africa, Gauteng province. To you, my fans, to you, my audience of South Africa, maybe you are wondering, here in Gauteng, is there any nature? Is there any river? Is there any river here? As you can see, this is a Kliprivier river. Maybe some of you, they just passed from the bridge. They never knew where does this river come from. So as you see, this is the river. This is a nice experience. Like, I'm enjoying to be here. I'm enjoying to see this water. I'm enjoying to see this place. I'm really, really, really enjoying. You know, Africa is beautiful. Like, Africa is full of nature. Like, Africa is full of relaxation places. If you are that kind of person who loves seeing nature, you can relate with me. Like, the atmosphere of water, like that atmosphere that you receive when you are next to the water, next to the river, that sound, the sound of birds, the sound of water, like that sound. You know that sound? You hear this sound, like that beautiful music of the birds, like that beautiful music of the birds, like, yo, I feel like I'll never go home. But at night it's very scary here. I can't stay here till night. So that's it that I have for you today, guys. Like, I love that sound. I love the view. I love the design, like, of these trees. Like, there's a beautiful design of trees here. I don't know, how did God do this, Baba? God, my God, you are so wonderful. Like, you are so wonderful. No human being can do this. It's God obvious. It's God obvious. There's no human being who can do this. No, I don't think so. Yo. I'm stuck, guys. I don't know how to pass. Like, I'm trying to go to another part of the river. So, there's full of dark here. A lot of dark. I will go down. Hey, I will go down. In this place. Yo. Okay. I succeed. Yes. Let's go to another part of the river. As you see, guys, nature. No, God did well. God did well to create nature, to create rivers, to create trees. See, just connect with the nature with me. Connect with the nature. Connect with me. Let's go. Hey. Oh, yes. So this is another side of kliprivier here in Eikenhof. As it's translated in English, it says stone river. This means this river, it's about stones. As you see, it's a lot of stones here. It's a lot of stones. Can you see? It's a lot of things here. Beautiful stone though. next to a freeway. Ah, shame. This river. Beauty of nature. Sure. Wow. See, this river is very, 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 very wonderful river. Ah, nature is beautiful. Nah. So guys, I'm sure you are surprised why I'm holding this stone. So this is a teaching from my grandmother. My grandmother told me, hey, before you cross the river, you need to test how deep is the river before you cross. You need to use the stone to test the river, how deep it is. So now I want to test how deep is this river with this stone. Let's just test this, the depth of the river. Uh, yeah, it looks like this river is very, very, very deep. Whoa, guys, this river is so deep. It's very, 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 very deep. Wow. Fugacinta. This is blue. Ngim. That's it for today, guys. So we are done for today. Now I'm going back home. Thank you guys. See you on my next video. Subscribe and like and share and stay connected with the nature with your girl Nondumiso, the Mauritius, the dark beauty girl, the African lady, the African queen. Stay tuned with me. Connect with nature. Thank you, bye. Thank you, bye. I love you guys. Mwah, 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 mwah. All I'm saying